There we go.
Oh man,
What is this? Ooh, the whole
that, Mr.
chicken.
Fake?
good man. Oh man. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com, or better yet, go to your local bookstore and check out our book, BBQ Pit Boys Book of Real Good Barbecue.
Yeah.
And here you go, dude. You name it. We have our classics in here. We have our newest recipes in here. It's available worldwide. Hang on, man. And it's coming to a pit near you. So we appreciate your support. And remember, if you're the girlfriend, get your boyfriend this book. He's going to love it. Check this out. Thumbs up.
All right.
Man,
Dig into the chicken, guys. Dig into some of the chicken.
it was good.
Fill it up.